Mic test. One, two, three. One, two, three. Mic test. My lashes are still intact. One, two, three. Hi, guys. Hello. All right. So let me just settle in because I just got home from work and I haven't removed my makeup. So I took the chance to record something. And we're back at the chopstick. I'm sorry, but I just can't help it. Anyways, so I'm back. My name is Regina, by the way, and I think this is the third episode of just pure yaps, like yapping, like yap, 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 yap. Hi. By the way, before anything else, how are you? Because that question, if you're going to ask me, I'm a mess. Like, in the past few days. So, just a quick, you know, run through of what happened. Because this is about the a certain thing that happened to me. Or it's not a certain thing, but a feeling. Hi. So, I've been a mess for somewhat a couple of days now. So, I was actually okay. I'm okay before this big situation happened to me. Well, it's hindi naman siya like parang ang tawag din, like super dramatic, but I'm just being dramatic about it and I just wanna feel things. Yung nangyari is ganito. Last Friday, I went to CEU to visit my friend because my event sa kanila. And I mean, this is just, like the timeline where kung saan nangyari where I went messy or I went something crazy. My brain went insane. So let's start where it's Friday. So I went to see you kasi I visited my friend kasi may event sila doon. It was a good event. It was a magical event for me because it was my first time na pumunta there and having that sampaguita initiation, some sort of celebration of seniors and juniors. I don't know. Like, I didn't understand the concept, but I know it's some sort of like a celebration, and I love it. Like, the flower formation girl is just beyond. Like, it was so pretty. So, yeah. And then, so we went to CU. Tas parang ano kami, parang nag-went kami ng Antipolo. Okay, so first things first. After ng CU, nag-Antipolo kami. Tas nung papunta kami ng Antipolo, we passed by somehow familiar road. So ito na nga. So sabi ko, wait lang, bakit familiar yung road? So like, iniisip ko, like, parang saan na ba to? Like, saan to? Ganito, ganyan ako. So sabi niya, ay, sa ano na to ma? Sa, ano yun? Cubao, I think. So I'm like, wait, okay. Alright. So like, parang, hindi ko siya pinansin. Pero like, nag-carve siya sa mind ko. Ayan, we went to Antipolo. We had lunch there. So we went to Antipolo and we hang out there. We ate lunch. We had coffee. And then we went to SM Masinag kasi I was looking for a bronzer. Pero walang bronzer dun. And my feet hurt so bad because I'm wearing like a 3-inch, 2-inch heels and my body is not prepared. My feet. So yun nga. My body was not prepared for like the heels. Kasi like my feet was tortured. Like, girl, like umiiyak na po yung pa ko. Like, legit. Like, what is legit? But then anyways, so okay lang. Like, I had fun. I enjoyed the day. And then the next day, Saturday, I was supposed to join to UP Diliman Pride March in QC. But the thing here is, umulan. So, sabi ko, wait lang, kapag umulan 'to, like, hindi ako tutuloy. Talaga, like, never. Like, girl, rain is, like, my number one enemy. Like, I'm sorry for the farmers, but, like, I hate rain. Yun nga. So, pero, like, nag-stop naman yung rain. So, my friend was like, ano, like, "Ate, natutuloy pa ba tayo? Kasi, like, parang umulan kasi dun sa QC." Sabi ko, "Really?" So, I asked my friend from QC na parang, "Hey, umulan pa ba diyan?" Sabi niya na, "Hala, hindi wala naman, wala na daw ulan." So, sabi ko, "Okay, so let's just hang out na lang. I'm not gonna go to UP Diliman. I'm just gonna celebrate Pride for, like, myself." Like, go LGBT community. So, nung pumunta ako ng QC, I met my friend there from QC, and then we hang out, we drank coffee, we talk a lot, and we went to ano yun? Quezon Memorial Circle. And, eto na naman. May familiar place na naman tayong nakita. So, sabi ko, familiar. So, sabi ko, I think this is just like a process of, like, this is a process of identifying what the root cause is. Kasi, like, I've been sad since Friday, like, low key. Like, I'm not like crying sad, but I'm just feeling melancholic. I was melancholy for the past few days. After nun, so I was like, hello, familiar. And by the way, when we were hanging out dun sa QC, or dun sa Quezon Memorial Circle, we were walking. The sun is there, like, she's screaming at me. I was sweating, but it was fun. And my friend gave me a gift. Like, here it is. Ito siya. Like, she's so cute. Like, look. She's a cutie. Hello, say hello. Hello. So, yun nga, like, familiar memory na naman. Or familiar place. So, sabi ko, okay. Okay. Mm. So, I went home. After nung hangout namin, I went home. Ito na yung the best part. So, I was supposed to go to Cabanatuan last Sunday. Kasi I was supposed to surprise my nanay. Kasi, like, umuwi daw yung tita ko from, I don't know. Sorry. And then, yung tita ko, and all turns out, tas ako yung na-surprise eh. Ako yung na-surprise. Kasi, they're in Baguio. And I was supposed to go to Cabanatuan. So I was like, okay, so I'm not gonna, like, go na lang there. Kasi, like, wala naman sila sa Cabanatuan. And I have, like, I'm short if kung pupunta ko ng Baguio. So I went home, and then Madam was like, I mean, prior to that, Madam was saying na parang pupunta siya sa parang side quest niya, something sort of um, photo shoot, and parang mag-isa lang daw siya and all. So I was like, okay, before that, sabi ko na parang, okay, so kung hindi ako tutuloy ng Cabanatuan, I'll go with you. So, yun nga, it was a blessing in disguise. Wow, a blessing in disguise. Yun nga, hindi ako pumunta ng Cabanatuan kasi, like, nasa Baguio sila. So, wala ako yung surprise kung tumuloy ako. Buti na lang talaga nag-chat ako sa papa ko. But, anyways, so, yun. So, instead of Cabanatuan, I went with Madam. So, we went to Pasig. And then another familiar memory. When we were going to Pasig, we went to Robinson Galleria. So, dun kami nag-book ng Grab papuntang yung location where the photo shoot is. So, we went there, like, Madam stuff, like, photo shoot and stuff. Like, not me. Like, I'm not the model. Basta, I cannot just, basta, like, Madam is hustling. We love a busy woman by Sabrina Carpenters. Sabi ni Madam, okay, so saan tayo after this? So, kasi, like, nasa QC kami, sa Pasig, or somewhere sort of a location where malapit, kasi, like, malapit talaga sa SM Podium. So, sabi ko, let's go to SM Podium. So, Madam was very hesitant at first. Kasi, before that, okay, here's the thing. So, di ba nga, pupunta ako ng Cabanatuan. Supposedly, I mean, pumunta ako ng terminal. And then when I booked the Move It, yung angkas or whatever that called is, yung route namin papuntang Cubao Terminal was the same route that Redacted and I Redacted. We're not gonna mentioning names here. He and I like drove off like in the middle of the night. Kasi papunta kami nun ng Arcovia. I was like super like like parang yung feeling mo is you're reliving the memory again. Because I'm riding a motorcycle. I'm listening to music. And mind you, yung music All Too Well by Taylor Swift, 10-minute version. And second back burner. I was so parang ato dun. Parang yung emotions ko is like parang na ano siya, like what do you call this? Parang nag-build up from Friday. And then parang nag-seed nung no, na-plant nung Friday, nag-growth ng Sunday. So that's like the span of the emotions that build up in me. So I was like, fudge. Okay, so we're going to feel this. We're going to face this. Sinabi ko kay Madam yun prior to where we going to Pasig. Because she was like, oh, you did relapse. So I'm like, is it though? Like, did I? Or it's just a feeling? Or I was just being sad or being just reliving the memory. So she sent me this screenshot of the meaning of relapse. And yes, it is true that I did relapse. So nag-relapse po ako. And that's okay. I was super sad. Like parang I was hit by a truck like of sadness. Tas parang hindi ko lang siya what do you call this? Like parang like I don't know how to channel it or how to like to divert my emotions. Kasi like super like para siyang na hyperfixated na parang na microscope like parang ganon like parang para siyang na-focus sa ganong feeling. Cause basta like it was very like a roller coaster ride emotion. Cause I was like, no, I was like trying to avoid that, but then again, I remember like, okay, you need to feel this. You need to like feel. You need to face on this feeling. Cause if you're not going to face this, who will? Like, see, no. So, ayun, parang, yeah. Like, long story short, nag-relapse po ako. And I'm not ashamed of feeling or experiencing relapse because I'm just a human being. And then, parang, kasi nga, like, everything was just, like, people and the places, like, the route, everything is just there. And my brain is just braining. And that's okay. And there's nothing wrong with a little poison. There's nothing wrong with having or relapsing on certain things because like that's some sort of a measurement of you facing things and also like a measurement of how can you say that you're truly healed on certain things. So yun, nag-relapse po ako. But I wasn't trying to live with it. So I was trying just to feel things. There's difference. Kasi like yung iba is like relapse and then wala, like they go back from the start. I was, and me on the other hand, nag-relapse ako, but I keep moving forward. You know what I mean? To put cherry on top, I guess. Yun yung term. Or yun yung parang, ano. So I asked Madam, so let's go back na sa present. Sa present chika. Na parang sabi ko, oh my God. So, Madam, let's go to podium. Ganun ako. Sabi niya, are you sure? Kasi like parang wala tayong matambayan doon. Sabi niya. Parang like, I think may cafe naman doon. So I was trying to give her like reasons so that we can go there. And then she agreed. even though she was very hesitant. Well, she was kind of like, "Pwede talaga tayo pumunta dun." Sabi niya. And she haven't been there. So I was like, "Tara, let's go. Let's go there." Pagka-uwi namin, or like after the photo shoot, we went to Podium. Thank God he wasn't there. Because like, if he was there, I don't know what to do. Or I don't know what's going on or what will happen. So sabi ko, wala siya madam. Kasi like parang wala. And then, siguro din, baka day off niya or baka iba yung shift niya or whatever. But, dun ko na-prove yung last meeting theory. Wag kate. So, na-prove ko dun yung last meeting theory na parang, yes, the universe will never let you intertwine because you guys are finished. Like, wala na talaga. So, wala. Wala na, the end. Ganun. Hindi na kayo magkikita. Wala na pong resurfacing of characters in this season. Ayun. I was like, okay. So somehow, so we went there. And then when we passed by again sa where he work at, I was scanning the whole. I mean, I scan as much as I can or as far as I can, and I was like, there's parang walang no signs of him or there's no anything that is there. Or maybe meron nandun siya pero like hindi ko nakita, but I just scanned everywhere and then we went out. And then I was like, just umuwi na kami. Then when I realized that when I was going home, I was like, okay. So the theory was right, like the last meeting theory. Because I'm always a believer of those theories circulating in TikTok, like the taxi theory, the last meeting, the red string, whatever Big Bang, the Big Bang theory. So I'm a firm believer of that because wala naman siguro like it will never hurt you if you're just going to believe it. And if it will not prove or anything else, then that's fine. That's on me. It's me. So yun, na-prove ko talaga yung the last meeting theory. Kasi like, okay, so ako na yung pumunta doon. Ako na yung nagkusa na parang, I know he's here. Parang ganon. So yun nga, totoo. So totoo po yung last meeting theory. And I'm here to attest it. Moving forward, I was just too sad to move. So I was sleeping like the entire night. And then the next day, until I work. To cut the story short. Wow, to cut the story short. So parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, so it's okay to relapse. It's just that you don't need to stay here or to stay there on that feeling because it will not benefit your present self if you keep reliving on those memories or you keep reliving on those people or remembering those people who hurt you or disrespected you or uh treat you like shit. I'm sorry for the word. Excuse my French. I wasn't proving anything at that moment when we went to Podium. And why am I saying the name? The mall. So I wasn't trying to prove anything sa mall. Like when we went to the mall. Kasi like parang sabi ko, let's just go there. Let's see if he's there. Pero wala eh. Wala siya. Wala ko magagawa, be. Na-learn ko dun sa certain emotion ko na parang, oh, okay. So, ano talaga, like parang bongga talaga yung feeling ng real love. Like parang bomba talaga, like bomba na. Ganun yung na-feel ko kasi, like parang, wow, like the transition of the emotion and then nag-boom nung pumunta ako dun. It's like, wow. So, nag-relapse po yung ate mo. And I was not disappointed, but rather relief yung na-feel ko na wala siya doon. And then I somehow, like, a part of me actually healed na parang, yeah, right. It's not gonna happen anymore. And that's fine. We're gonna leave we're going to leave everything behind. Kasi like if kung nandun siya, bibili ako bibili talaga ako like parang uy. Pabili po ice cubes. It's okay to feel certain emotions just to face reality or just to face a certain type of emotion in your life where you need to deal. Because like if you're not going to like deal emotions or if you're not going to like face your emotions, kung iba-bottle up mo lang siya, you will explode eventually. That's not good. Like if you're good at bottling your emotion, okay, that's on you. One thing that I learned talaga in my life, like growing up, like in my current state, that I need to deal emotions as wise as I can and as smart as I can. Cause like if I'll just gonna go and just deal with it without precautions or ano yung parang hindi ko pinag-iisipan, baka like it will get messy. Dapat kontrolado ko pa din. You know what I mean? Also, again, it's okay to relapse. There's nothing bad about it. Kasi like it's your emotion. It's a certain part of your brain triggers because of certain things. Some sort of location that could trigger smell, like everything. So like hindi mo naman like kayang iwasan lahat be. Ano, di ka na lang ano, like hindi ka na lang magdadaan dun sa ano, dun sa daanan kasi like you would remember him or you're not going to watch this type of movies or this type of games kasi like you'll remember people. Again, as what Madame said actually, she was like, it's okay kasi you're trying to create new memories on those certain places. And that's true. That is so true. So somehow, na-heal ko yung sarili ko. Like, little. But it's a win. Kasi small wins still wins. So, ayun. I was so happy na parang sinuportahan ako ni Madam na parang she went there with me and she was actually trying to look for him as well. It was so funny because she was like, and then wala. Walang napala. Or hindi, may napala ako, which is realization. And also, um, what else? Realization and somehow it healed me then. Kasi like, siguro if kung hindi ko yun sinabi kay madam or hindi ko yun finil, siguro like I'm still sad at the moment. I mean, I'm still sad right now. I'm actually wearing like the this outfit because I went to work. So I wore this top and then jeans, but different shoes. But that this outfit, like including the jeans, is the outfit that I wore on our first date. So I was like, girl, you're on fire. You're on streak for being sad. Pero like yun nga, I was like trying to change things para like hindi na yung certain memory ko, yung hindi na bad memory yung na-feel. I mean, remember ko when I went to Cubao, I went to Podium, I went to QC Circle, I mean, Quezon Memorial Circle, sa QC in general. So para hindi na siya bad. It was creating new memories with people that I love and people that it matters to me. So ayun. I'm still sad. Yes, I can say that. Kasi like parang hindi naman mawawala yung sadness like in a snap. But I'm trying to be happy. I'm not being fake happy about it, but like I'm trying to like, control my emotions in a certain way I could live with. You know what I mean? Or am I making sense? Is my brain not braining? They're there. So I guess the lesson here for this video is I think we we need to face the feelings and emotions in order for us to grow. Number one. Number two, it's okay to relapse. It's yung bad thing lang about relapsing is you're trying to, what do you call this? Um trying to go back talaga. Like full blown go back. To relapse for me, yung good thing lang about relapsing is you need to feel certain emotions and things just to process on your life, your emotion, your brain, your heart, para like at least man lang matulungan mo. Kasi it's it's okay to be sad, okay? Like not every day is filled with rainbows and cupcakes and unicorns and shit like that. But it's okay to be sad. Like no one is happy every day. Like not in this economy. Yeah, it's okay to relapse, but don't live with it. Like, ganon. And then the last meeting theory is right. Yun yung mga discover ko sa yung mga trips na nagawa ko the past few days, like the weekends and last Friday. And it's okay. I mean, go for it. If you want to relapse, go for it. If you want to feel emotions, if you want to miss someone, go miss them, but do not go back. Remember what you've been through sa mga ano. It's okay to miss the memories, yes, but do not engage on the people that you've been with on those memories. It's okay to, what do you call this? To relieve the memories, but do not put yourself into a box where you're just gonna be living with it. Like you need to go back out. Like you need to go outside the box. Like you can visit, but you cannot live with it. I just want to talk about this thing because it's eating me alive. And I think that's it for today. And I hope that meron tayong nakuha or napulot. Napulot. May napulot po tayong lesson on this Yap video. Let's just be happy and hopefully that we're gonna be healed soon, not now. One step forward always. Even though you step 2 steps backward or 3 steps backward, it's still 1 step forward. So yes, so yun lang guys. Let's just be happy and be glad those things happened because everything happens for a reason and nothing beats like a jet. Thank you for watching though, cause like I need to remove my makeup and I need to like do some shit because it's already 10:20. And yeah, so I guess that's it. Thank you for listening and I hope you get something out of it for my yapping. So thank you and good night. Buyers.